Today I'm going to show you how to graph linear inequalities. This is a cool part of math because you have to be able to solve the equation and graph it. As you can see, this picture shows a y is greater than or equal to x equation. We have the line going through which simulates the x equals y equation or y equals x equation. But since this is different because we have a greater than or equal to sign, all that does in this case is adds the shading in. But since y is more than x, think of y being on the top and x being on the bottom. So that would in that case make the shading on this side. Alright, when you want to solve 3x minus 7 is greater than 5, you have to balance these out and you get x by itself. So you get those out and you get 3x is greater than 12. Next, you want to divide it by a common factor. So in this case, you end up getting x is greater than 4. As you can see, this works because when you take the 7 over here, and you just add the 7, you get 12 over here. And since they're both common factors of each other, you can get x is greater than 4. Alright. Today I'm going to show you how to graph 3x minus 7 is greater than 5. But we've already simplified it. So we got x is greater than 4. So really that's what we're solving. So first we have to look for what side of the axis is going to be on. So it's going to be x, so it's going to end up being on the x-axis. And then you can see that there's 4 right there, so it's going to be the 4th line right here. No. So let's just draw this in real quick, right there. So then you can see that it's not an equal to sign at all. So that means it's going to end up being a dash sign. So you can see right there, I just made it dashed. It's also a greater than sign. So that means x is also greater than 4. So that means you're going to end up shading this side right here. This is pretty much how you graph the whole thing. So I picked a model of mathematics for my math practice standard because you have to clearly understand how to use a graph when you're graphing an equation. Because graphs can relate to a diagram or a picture, because you have to say for a diagram, it could show you the information you didn't know to find the next solution of an answer. It's also a picture kinda, because you draw it out. So